Oh. Hi, Rena. What would you like to say about this evening?
Great fun.
Yes? It's a great fun. Ma?
Hogging the karaoke.
Ma, what would you like to say?
It's a great evening, ladies.
Yeah, it's just ladies only, isn't it? Yep. And we could just get up and just have fun. Before, what would you like to say about this lovely evening? Susie? What would you like to say about this evening?
Not bad. I'm getting tired because I've got no drink.
Your drink is on its way. Yeah, she's coming, but a bit late. Yeah.
Not bad.
This is us at the woman. What was the name?
Oh, yeah, they're going up to see.
Woman with Purpose is the name of this lovely group of ladies, and it's nice to just be here on a Saturday evening, just to sing a few songs and enjoy the lovely evening. So this is us.